In this video, I'm going to show you how to start adding pages to your website. Okay, so you'll probably find, there's two different types of pages you can have. This is the actual home page. Okay, so this is where you'll find, this when someone types in your domain, this is where they're going to come. Okay, now when you're actually inside your WordPress dashboard, you'll see this little screen here, which it says Home, and click to edit. Okay, if you've got any design changes that you want to make to this page, you can simply go here and click to edit. Okay, so if I click here, this will take me through to the thesis skin editor for that page. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the header, the main and main content and footer. So if we just have a little look here, header top, what I might do is I'll get this open in another box here, just so we can sort of, as we go along, we can have a little look and make it so it's easy for you to understand. So we'll close that again. Okay, so the header top is, as you can see, this part up here. Okay, so that's if we go back to the skin editor, if we just keep hitting these little plus signs here, that's going to take us through the boxes that are in there. Okay, so that's our navigation menu. Okay, so inside the navigation menu is our header nav menu. Okay, and that responsive menu, which is for mobiles. Okay, so that's just the actual design of this part up the top up here. Okay, so that's all you need to know for that. In the header main, okay, you'll find, as you can see here, there's a header logo and that header widget that I was talking about earlier. So if we go here, you can see it says header main. So we just click that plus sign there to show the tray here, and you can see there that's got the header add widget. And if I click this header main box, you'll see that the logo's in there as well. Okay, so just giving you like a rough idea of how the actual page works. Okay, so we're starting to work our way down the page here. Okay, so if we go header main content, this is where the main part of the page is going to be. So we'll hit that plus sign, the main content box, which is basically all this stuff in here. Okay, all the way down. Okay, so if I click on this little plus sign here, that's going to start unrolling the page for me. Okay, so I've got the content, which is this part here where all the blog posts are. Okay, and then I've got the sidebar, okay, which is this part here where I've got all my sidebar banners and the search bar here. Okay, so what we do is we can just go into these. Okay, so as you can see, we can go into that content box now, and then now that's showing us exactly what these are. Okay, so these little parts here, so it's it breaks every part of the page down into certain little sections. Okay, and that's what these boxes are. Okay, so we can go ahead later on and change all this stuff, but just for now I just wanted to give you a rundown of how the thesis system works, how it's all drag and drop. Okay, and then we've got our sidebar here. Okay, and that's just in through here. Okay, so we change the sidebar stuff in the WordPress dashboard later on, but that's how it works. So we'll just minus all this stuff. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. And then we've got the footer with just the footer copyrights. Okay, if we wanted to add any widgets and so forth, we can do that up here. Okay, we'll do that in a later video, but just for today we're going to start adding some pages. Okay, so what we need to do is we come back to the WordPress dashboard, which is this one. Okay, and then from here all we need to do is go down to pages. Okay, and we're going to click that button right there. That's going to take us through to this page here. Okay, these are all the pages I've got set up on my blog. Okay, so we'll bring this up again here. You'll see I've got two different types of pages here. This is the home page, and let's just say we'll click this new start here page. Actually no, we'll go to the resources page. And can you see how it's now deleted? It's deleted this menu up here. I don't have a sidebar, and I don't have any widgets down the bottom. As you can see here, it's called the Add My Landing Page. Okay, so the landing page it's pretty much where you want to try and sort of hold someone's attention to a certain spot on the page. Okay, you don't want any distractions like things like menus and sidebars, opt-in forms, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's what a landing page is used for, and you can use these for whatever page you like on your blog. Okay, but it does have this logo up here. Okay, so that just brings us back. If I click this, that's going to bring me back onto my original home page here. Okay, so that's the difference between the two pages. So if we want to add a page, let's just go back here. What you do is you just click Add New. That's going to take us through to this page here. Okay, and this is where you can add the title of that page. Okay, so let's just say I wanted to we'll put a little example here. We'll just say updates or something like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put updates. Alright, and I'll just click tab, and you'll see it'll come up here real soon with this little edit here. Okay, so that's actually the permalink. Okay, so that's the link that you see up here when you type it in. Okay, so that's fine just the way it is as updates. Okay, I want this page to be a landing page like I showed you before with no distractions. So what you need to do is you can come down here and you're going to go under this box here where it says Thesis Skin Custom Template. At the moment it has no custom template, so what I want you to do is you can either choose between a full width landing page or that landing page I showed before. So I'm just going to click Add My Landing Page. Okay, and I know that I've got 7 tabs up here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this box here is going to be number 9. Alright, so we'll go back here. I know it doesn't say a number here, but all the other pages I have created are numbered. So I'm going to put this as number 9 and just leave everything else as is, just as an example. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go preview just to show you. Okay, so this is going to take us to the next page, and this is what our page looks like. Okay, so obviously there's no content. Okay, but we've made that page. That's now something we can start adding content to. Just so you can see it in the menu, I'm just going to press publish. What you'll see is this little thing ticking over here, and then eventually it'll say page published, and we can go to view page, and this page is now live. Okay, so just so you can see it in the menu. Alrighty, you can now see that that's been put up here in my navigation menu. Okay, so I can now click off here, and that's going to take me through to that page I just created. Okay, so pretty simple to start creating your own pages. It's just a matter of going through deciding what pages you want. I would suggest, just to keep it basic, have a new start here page, an about page. Don't worry about your podcasts or videos yet. Maybe just have a resources page, contact, and maybe if you've got a product or some of your premium workshops or your training workshops. And then maybe if you're a trainer, some of your services. Okay, so you can list all this stuff up here. Okay, so I'll put a little bit more details below this video with certain pages and what's going to work best for the certain industry. Okay, but that's how you put a page onto your brand new website.